Hey guys, if you're trying to launch DaVinci Resolve on your computer but it's just not opening, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this error. So I recommend you go through each of these steps to find the method that works for you, as the solution is going to be different for everyone. So the very first thing we need to do is head over to our Start menu and just search for Task Manager, and then head over to the Task Manager window. From here, you just want to make sure that DaVinci Resolve isn't running in this list of processes. And if it is, we can just right click on it and come over to End Task. And you can also use this search box at the top here just to search for DaVinci. And if you do find a DaVinci process inside of here, once again, just right click on this and select End Task. So once we've closed down DaVinci from this list of processes, we can close out of the Task Manager. And we're going to right click on our DaVinci Resolve icon on our desktop, come over to Properties, and then head inside of the Compatibility tab. Now, from here, you just need to make sure that Disable Full Screen Optimizations and also Run this program as administrator are both ticked. And then press Apply and OK to save these changes. We're then going to double click on the application to see if that fixes the issue. And if that still doesn't work, the next thing you can do is head over to your Start menu and search for Device Manager. Then head over to the Device Manager panel, and from here we need to come down to Display Adapters and just expand this drop down, and then you need to locate your GPU from this list. So I'm currently using this NVIDIA graphics card, so we're going to right click on this and come into Update Driver, and then you'll need to press Search Automatically for drivers. Now once you've ensured you're running the latest driver in here, we can close out of this window. We're next going to head over to the Start menu and search for Settings, and then click this. And from the left-hand side, we want to scroll all the way down to Windows Update, and then just press this Check for Updates button to ensure we are running the latest version of Windows, as sometimes if you do have an outdated version of Windows, it can cause compatibility issues with our programs, so it's just worth making sure you're fully up to date here. And then from the left-hand side, come over to System, inside of Display, and then scroll all the way down to Graphics. What you'll need to do is you'll need to add DaVinci to this list of applications down here. So to do that, we can just press the Browse button, and if you know where the DaVinci application saved to, then you can just open it from here. If you're not sure where the file saved to, then we can just minimize this for a second, and then we're going to right click on DaVinci Resolve on our desktop, come over to Open File Location, and then we're going to copy all of this text at the top of this folder, and then we can come back over to our Settings window, click on Browse, and then just paste all of that URL up here, hit the Enter key. And then if we scroll down here, you can see the resolve.exe file. So we're just going to double click on that. And now as you can see, I have DaVinci Resolve in this list of applications. So just press Options and make sure here you set this to Power Saving and press Save. Now you can try launching up the DaVinci Resolve application and that should have fixed the issue. If it's still not working, one more thing that you can try is unplugging any USB devices you might have connected to your laptop. Now, this could include external devices or USB drives, and I know it sounds crazy, but sometimes this can cause compatibility issues. And hopefully by following all of these steps, that's now fixed any issues you're having inside of DaVinci not opening. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.